With the holidays approaching, kick back, relax, and make some hot chocolate. To make this delicious treat, you'll need heavy cream, whipped cream, sugar, milk, vanilla extract, Hershey's chocolate, and some marshmallows. Start by adding 1½ cups of milk to your pot. Then add ½ cup of heavy whipping cream to the mixture. Set your stove to medium heat and allow your mixture to warm up without reaching a boiling point. While the mixture is heating up, begin to chop your chocolate into fine pieces. Turn off your stove and remove the mixture from the heat. Next, add your finely chopped chocolate, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Begin to whisk the mixture until all of the chocolate has melted. Pour your drink into a glass or mug of your choice. Top it off with some whipped cream and marshmallows. Now your hot chocolate is ready to drink and share with others.